Shanghai is under pressure to deliver on China's zero-COVID strategy, even as the financial hub looks to reportedly ease its strict coronavirus curbs soon. Now, China's top health official, Ma Xiaowei, has instead pledged tougher measures, the toughest ones yet, to contain the country's latest outbreak. In a study Times article, Mr. Ma urged against any relaxation of restrictions. He said even easing slightly could result in an ignition point of the epidemic, which means paying dozens or even hundreds of times the price. Reuters had cited sources saying Shanghai is aiming to contain the spread of COVID-19 outside of quarantined areas by Wednesday. For now, it has already stepped up testing and sped up the isolation of positive cases. While infections have declined slightly, the financial hub has been recording more than 20,000 new cases for nearly 2 weeks now. And for the first time in this latest outbreak, Shanghai reported the country's first COVID-19 fatalities. 3 people have died, all elderly with underlying disease. But several of the city's residents say that they have had family members with COVID-19 who have also died, raising suspicion over the accuracy of the death toll. One expert tells us the reason behind this discrepancy.
So one has to look at whether or not with these deaths, is that with these patients who are actually dying, were basically dying with the disease or of it. So what I suspect is that what we're now seeing is that people have been saying, but there must be some deaths. Is that China's now saying, yes, well, there are a few deaths, but it's in the very elderly and the unvaccinated. So it's probably in a way of trying to say, yes, there are some deaths, but it's a very good question about how accurate it is.